Aw, animals.
Parrot missing for 4 years, returns speaking Spanish. How does a parrot go from "Hello, governor" to "Hola, amigo"? Darren Chick's long lost, now bilingual pet parrot Nigel did just that. The African grey parrot originally spoke with Chick's polished British accent.
Bring us some mash.
Nigel disappeared from Chick's home in Torrance, California back in 2010. Julissa Sperling, owner of Happy Tails Dog Spa, found the bird and was charmed by the bird's ability to speak Spanish.
¿Qué pasó?
Sperling contacted a local veterinarian who traced the microchipped bird back to its original owner. The Spanish-speaking parrot initially bit Chick
Culero.
and kept mentioning some guy named Larry. How Nigel survived and picked up Spanish remains a mystery. And who the heck is Larry?
Estoy crudo.